Hi Leo, what's up? Welcome to another love reading of yours. This is going to be a general reading for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the week of 13th to the 19th of July 2020. Please keep in mind this is a general reading. This may or may not resonate with every Leo watching this video. If you need a personal reading, that information is going to be down below. Some of the energies of the cards here can be flipped, so feel free to switch the energies or vice versa. And again, as you know, time is fluid. You could have dealt with this energy or will be dealing with in the near future. You know best where you're at in your story, so take what resonates and leave the rest out of the window. All right, Leo. What's going on, Leo? Okay, just let me set the cards. A little OCD. More than little, let's say. All right, Leo. What's happening? Eight of Wands in reverse at the bottom of the deck. Two of Pentacles in reverse. What's going on? You dropped someone, someone dropped you, someone made a decision. There's clarity here. And what's the clarity? Guess what? Nothing's moving forward is the clarity. You could have dropped someone off, or there could have been a situation that you were juggling for a very long time, okay, but you finally made a decision and you're not moving forward with someone, okay, is what I'm getting. Something's come to a complete halt, a complete standstill, okay. Could be no communication for sure, but this could be someone who you could be dating online, or could be a long distance relationship, okay. But there's someone here who's very sure about what they want. Right now you're at a stalemate energy, you're currently, okay. I feel that you're being very indecisive about a decision, and it's like you're stuck. You're just stuck between a rock and a hard place. Okay, you have two unpleasant choices or alternatives, and you are refusing or choosing to ignore to make a choice or a decision. Is what I'm getting. Okay, either could be because there is a lack of information here, could be because there's no communication here, or because you're just being blocked. Eight of Wands in reverse can also be blocked communication. Okay, right now you're blocking your heart chakra and you're refusing to let a solution out, or you're just refusing to let something happen. Okay, what's influencing or crossing this, or your biggest challenge, is the Four of Swords. So I feel that you need to get out of this mode is what I'm getting. You're taking too long to think about this is what I'm getting. Four of Swords is withdrawn energy, okay. So of course there is cut communication, there is no communication between you guys, and or this could be the other person who's cut communication with you, okay. Take how it resonates, but right now you're just not sure about what's going on, and that's why you're not being able to make a decision. There is no contact between you guys, someone's withdrawn their energies from you, and this is someone just taking a break, okay. Your challenge is probably to give this thought no action right now is what I'm getting, and that's exactly what you're doing anyways. I feel you're thinking. The Four of Swords, yes, it is pulling back, but it is, again, it's radio silence, right? It is wanting to heal. I think it's wanting to heal. This is what you're doing. You're not making a decision, and the problem is that you haven't healed. You haven't healed from a previous situation, okay. There could have been a situation where probably justice was not done with you, and you felt cheated, or you felt backstabbed, betrayed, or something like that. But someone could have hurt you, and now you're at a stalemate right now with this person again. You're wanting to heal. That's the challenge out here. You're feeling left out in the cold, okay. Someone could have abandoned you, you could have abandoned someone, but right now you're feeling very lonely here, okay. On your mind you're feeling lonely, you're missing someone, you're feeling left out, okay. Someone could be giving you the cold shoulder. The reason for the reading is that you're not taking a risk about something. You think something is risky business. You know, it's almost like what I'm getting. You're wanting a renewal, you're wanting a new beginning, right? But it's like you're taking leaps of doubt instead of taking leaps of faith, okay. You want to jump in to start something new, but something is stopping you, and I think what's stopping you is you not making a decision, and you're feeling left out because probably this person cut communication with you, okay? And now you guys, there's radio silence between you guys is what the challenge is. The challenge is to break the challenge is to break the communication. I mean, to start communication and break the silence is what I'm getting. There's no breakthrough here, so the things just not moving forward. You're feeling left out, you're stuck, they're stuck, you both are stuck, there's like a budge fest going on, and the challenge here is to communicate like normal people, okay? And that's why there is a lack of a new beginning here, okay? Because you don't trust them, they don't trust you. You're taking a step back, and it's like you're seeing if it's going to be worth the risk or not, okay? You're afraid, you're scared of something. Again, you're being very cautious is what I'm getting. It's like, do I want to or do I not want to? So someone's doing a lot of thinking here. That's the Four of Swords here. I think the Fool in reverse can also be someone who's overthinking. Yes, it can be someone who has trust issues, okay, because they've been through hell and back, all right? In the past, you could be dealing with someone who's very cold and detached, but at the same time, this could be you. Again, there was a lack of communication. I'm getting a lot of issues with communication here, okay? You could have cut someone off, they could have cut you off, okay? But what I see coming in is the Four of Wands. So I do see a celebration coming in. This is joy, happiness, celebration. The Four of Wands is a twin flame connection, okay? I feel you guys coming into a reunion, okay? You're going to get back to this person. There is going to be commitment. There's going to be long-term potential, marriage, commitment, anything that makes you happy, okay? You're going to have a reason to celebrate. That's the good part is what I'm seeing here, okay? Why? Because I feel that you want to release the tension, okay? I feel that you don't want this drama anymore, and you're going to put an end to this drama is what I'm getting. You want to release the tension and conflict between you guys, okay? And you just want peace. You don't want to fight a battle every time. You're trying to avoid arguments, pettiness, conflicts, etc., okay? And the good part is I think you're going to come out of isolation and talk to this person, make a decision. But the good thing is that you're releasing control, okay? You're releasing any inner conflict. If you had any conflict within yourself, okay, which can be the Two of Swords, if you're conflicted in your head, you're letting it go. If there's any tension between you guys, you're letting it go. It's like, you know what, I want a peaceful resolution, okay? And what's coming in for you is the Ace of Pentacles. You're getting commitment, you're getting a reunion. You could get married, engaged. If you're already in a relationship, this is your relationship getting into high levels of commitment, whatever have you, okay? But yeah, you anyways wanted it, okay? Because I see that you're wanting a, yeah. So anyways, in your emotions, I feel you anyways want to let the past go, and you want to reconcile, you want to resurrect. It's decision time, okay? You're going to make a final decision, right? It's almost like you want to reunite with this person, and more than anything, it's like, you know what, when there is no communication between you guys, you've left things to the universe, okay? But I feel you're doing the right thing. You're getting clarity, you're going to be very assertive, and you're going to make a big life-changing decision, okay? And with the likely outcome, I feel that there's someone here, you're going to be enlightened about something is what I'm getting. Because after taking this break, after you guys are on a break, someone's been enlightened to something, okay? And the Hermit in reverse is someone who's completely withdrawn their energies, withdrawn themselves, and now they're coming out of isolation and they're ready to talk. That's why you're getting into reunion. That's why you're getting into reunion. Because there's someone here who could have been trying to put in a very strong front for a very long time, but they're like, you know what, I don't want to fight this, I don't want to do this pettiness, I don't want this conflict, etc., okay? Like, let's make this happen. Yeah, I mean, I think you're going to make this happen. If not both of you, at least one of you, right? One of you's quitting the fight, quitting the bickering and whatever it is, right? And I see a reunion here. I see you guys coming back together. Definitely, for sure. Whoever's isolated themselves, they're coming out of isolation. That's the best part, okay? And someone's going to return back to you from the past is what I'm getting. All right, Leo, I hope this reading resonates with you. Leave your comments below. Like, share, subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.